I'm not one to cry on camera, but it really breaks my heart when I'm getting updates from home and I'm seeing the little kids walk on that road, and I'm like, how am I being I don't want the title of being an influencer if I can't help. And it's hard because I'm not the type of person to put my burdens on anyone. And then when you're raised to be strong, but it's like, I don't care what I have to do, but I'm gonna fix that road. I'm not gonna give up. When I tell you guys where I grew up in Liti, that's gonna be one of the last places the government's gonna even attempt to fix, because they're in the back of it. And I have to be a mom on top of it too, but I will eventually get back to my normal content, but just bear with me. I'm dealing with a lot trying to help out back home, and this fundraiser means a lot. It's not about me. It's literally, I just want to help the kids. They should not have to be traveling on the road just like that.